Hey, welcome back to Bazaar channel. Thanks, guys. So, when it comes to a context of agentic space of LLMs, the routing layer we call as the AI gateways are crucial. So, to customize or decrease the computational cost, use the cheaper tokens depending upon how we are routing a different routing algorithm within the routes itself. So token router is an LLM API gateway which provides a routing layer, and you can choose multiple uh, language models within OpenAI compatible endpoint calling with different model providers, which gonna be under hood of this. And all we need to do is like to share via API request, and it has a standard OpenAI SDK with HTTP API. Token router then forward the request to the model, the provider, depending upon the specific model which we are gonna choose it. It's Kimi 3, GPT 4.0, and it's gonna fit into the infrastructure layer between your agentic codes and the model. So you will have agentic frameworks which builds LangChain, LlamaIndex, AutoGen, the code, custom code creations, or any editor plugins, and then they're gonna talk to the open router like the open API. Then token router handle the multiple provider access, model selections, failover. Sometimes it's gonna save the cost versus latency optimization. There are multiple benefits out of there to call the model. Let's get understand a walkthrough of this gonna looks like. And I love this UI because what the reason why I'm choosing today to walk through you. So I build an application which is gonna be using the API. So this is gonna be an agentic application where the user gives bit of queries on the back end of the agent. It's quickly gonna run. So I build on chain light application. It's very quick for agentic space. So this is a dashboard which is gonna looks like, and they're gonna giving the Kimi model absolutely free. So what is the Kimi? The ones the Kimi is Moonshot AI largest open weight model, which 2.8 trillion parameters built for long horizon coding. What does it means? They're gonna be works for 7 to 8 days with have a deeper reasoning, deeper agentic skill set, larger code bases which require 1 million token bases. It means we don't need to wait for the agents to give it. It's going to have the high brain model. The codes will do the entire reasoning. They can understand the long documents context, enter your code repositories, and then started doing the practical step how to use the Kimi 3 mixture of experts agents ones. And this is going to be absolutely key because the free one it's gonna give it, then we start using it. And example like the LangChain, LangGraph is better when it comes to your enterprise level. The reason is like it has the failure mechanism which gonna root it, but even depends upon like how you're gonna build your agentic patterns. It's all gonna be the ones. And they started the Kimi 3 working on a GPU 300. That's one more NVIDIA's favorite because it has a GB higher interference. That's gonna control the multiple things and stuff. So agentic layer, your routing layer, your model, the capability, then it's abstract everything and gonna gives you the endpoint output. So it's gonna be there. So you have multiple models to get started. Kimi is gonna be free, and Queen, Anthropic, Claude, Opus 5 is fast. So it's pretty a decent way, like the cost and everything. If you look at like it's absolutely great, and you can start playing with the agent straight away. I choose a Kimi 3 here to use that, and then they're gonna be the keys. You can play it, and you can have a managed play, and you have a user login. So what the user has actually done it, how much he's gonna spend it, and pretty neat and clean, right? Let me ask like the basic thing, like ask them to do the calculation, and Kimi gonna do the better into the one. So sine 90 by cos 90. Right. So I have given the basic sine 90 and cos 90. On the back end, what is going to be there? It's going to be reach out to the multiple agents and then started giving back to the responses. It's pretty clean and simple the way the portal is looking, but agentic for agentic's like routing layer is going to be key thing, and how we are keeping the multiple caching on top of the stuff. So so if you can see the logic of thinking, it started thinking into the user, started giving the stuff, and then it's defining uh, um, the answers, what it's going to be looks like to you. So it's going to do the multiple agents, they're going to do the deep thinking. Not agent, is a mixture of the experts which going to thinks about that, and finally it's trying to give the answers to me what I ask actually. So once it's done is stuff, and then it is gonna be comes back to give me the answer. So it's gonna show you the like how the logical thinking gonna works into it, and then I'm gonna show you how it's gonna becomes to a portal, and I'm gonna show you the API creation. It's pretty simple. You can call the API. So it comes to the answer. So so it says like the infinity is the answer, which is not the ones, because 1 by 0 it's going to be the infinity, and it's not able to define this into that. Yeah, let me explain the code base now for this particular one. If you look at the code, it's going to be the OpenAI stuff. The reason we are invoking the token router API, which is similar to the OpenAI format of the ones. All you need to have the model name. You can specify the multiple models, but here the Kimi tree is going to be free. And then you have to start define the API keys and router key. This is similar like how the OpenAI SDK is going to looks like. You don't need to build something new, because it works with the similar SDKs, and then it's going to call underhood multiple models. We decide on the routing side of the logic to decrease the token consumption. The cost is a major factor of it, and this is where our build for chainlet is pretty good compared to the streamlit or the Angular based UI which you're gonna go. It's pretty simple, couple of lines of the code which you needs to be right, and it started working it. And this is going to be a system that is going to be a intelligent assistant, which is going to be a precise, where I have not added the framework of multi-agentic orchestration here. However, it has a million token context within the Kimi tree. So that that streaming token is one thing which I've kept it. I'm gonna keep this as the code base for you, and this is a channel documents which you can start downloading. Our run the application. Let's start. See how the application is working, and I'm gonna share this code base to you in the description. If you give a thumbs up or give a comment, then I'm gonna share the code base. Okay, perfect. So this is a beast of the open source AI model, the Kimi. The application is ready. All I need to gonna ask a complex Olympiad mathematician question, and I say like your Olympiad level of mathematician solve this one, and then I have a given the triangle AB 13 BC. So it's going to understand the final output of that. So for to do this, it required a, a deeper mathematician level of understanding. Then it's to go back, and basically it's going to invoke those mathematical parameters, and then comes back and gives the answer. So the backend, it's gonna do all the logic of how we are gonna do it, and then it's gonna give the answers to it. So, and here I asked to show all the steps, including the use of angle bisector theorem and areas formulas, and gives me the final number of that answer. This is more in terms of like handling how this model is going to be work into a mastering of mathematical the questionnaire is. It's we are not giving asking it to give the answer. We're asking the model to do the multi-step reasoning and then give us those knowledge based where it's went, how it's done its stuff, and how it's gave the answer to us. So it's gonna take a pretty a while for this kind of a model because it started doing the deeper analysis and then gives the final answer. It's use the angle bisector theorem perfectly. The theorem gonna talks us the I is in center, AI is internal bisector. So the angle is that how it meets the bisector of that. Angle bisector theorem is uh, BD by DC equal to AB by AC, which means here it's gonna gives you 13 by 15. So including PD plus DC equal to BC, which is going to be 14, and BD is going to be 13 divided by 13 plus 15. So the final answer of the BD is going to be works with 13 by 2. It's 6.5 is the answer of the exact bisector angle on BC. So this is how the the Kimi model done the mathematical answering, the bisector of the angle, and then it's internally meet with the BC, and it uses the angle bisector theorem and gives us the final answer and how it's used that. And who wanted the code base of this particular application, you can comment me, share your email ID. I'm gonna share you the actual link how to do it. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial walkthrough how to use the router and token router is terrific. I love it because the way they are giving the Kimi 3 absolutely free, and we can start building the multi-agent systems with the help of the token router API with the case. Thanks for watching. Uh, Please subscribe and do liking of my channel. Thanks, guys.